My name is Mahmud Jan Mohammed, and I'm the managing director for TPS Serena Hotels in Africa. We have more or less installed a fully fledged solar system here, which on good days provides us with perhaps between 80 and 90% of our energy needs. And what we have now done is reduced our reliance on generators. A good example is we used to consume 600 liters of diesel a day. With the system now, we are consuming between 110 and 150 liters a day on a good day. So when it's not cloudy, when the sun's out, there will be days when it's raining and it's cloudy, when weather conditions are not right, where perhaps we may have to run the generator for longer hours. It's a major initiative that we are, very proud of. We'll be spending less money on maintenance. We will prolong the life of our generators, which means we don't have to replace them as often. This is a system that I think fits in with the United Nations SDG 13, which is, very much part of our philosophy.